Hey everybody, we're here in the greenhouse today. I'm Sarah, and behind the camera we've got Derek.
Hello.
Today I'm going to give you a tour of the greenhouses, and here in the main one, this is our shade greenhouse. Derek can pan around for me, but we have got shade annuals in here, including staples like begonias and impatiens, but some unique ones as well. We also have all of our shade baskets hanging up.
Now I'm going to make you pick 3 of your favorite flowers throughout the tour of the video as well, so try to narrow that one down.
I'll do my best.
What's the section we're looking at?
This is our custom grab-and-go section. So here we make all of these in-house. We've got pots for both sun and shade, so you can just come in, peruse what we have, and pick out your favorite. If none of these appeal to you, we do have a potting bench that we can make something specifically tailored for you.
I'll pan over to show that real quick. All right, take us on.
All right, we're going to go to the back of the greenhouse here. Back here is where we have all of our house plants. Right now it's filled up with annuals, but soon we will be turning over to a lot of house plants in here, but we've got a good selection right now. One of my favorites that I do want to point out is over this way.
All right, I better go that way and show. Oh yes.
This is our orchid section. We do have a lot of, the standard Phalaenopsis, but we get a lot of unique ones in here as well. This one I want to point out specifically. I'll let you zoom in on what it's called.
But oh yes.
But this one is specifically known because it smells exactly like coconut cream.
And I've tried, it really does.
Yes, and every time I walk past this section, there's just like a nice fragrance to it, so.
Very nice choice.
All right, we'll head out into our other greenhouse. That is where we keep our sun annuals.
Sounds good. Lead the way. And we're getting ready to open shortly, so we do have some customers out there.
On the way to the greenhouse, we are going through our tropical patio. It's got hibiscus, mandevilla, and a lot of other tropical plants, including all of our pottery.
And now we're in the sun greenhouse.
And now we're in the sun greenhouse. In here, you can see we have, right off the bat, a wide array of petunias. Over here, we have all of the supertunias, including at least 7 different varieties of Vista petunias.
I put my hand on my face just now and Sarah looked at me because this is my favorite petunia, Vista bubblegum. I put it outside every year because it's so vigorous and beautiful.
I have yet to try them in my yard, but I might do that this year.
Try it this year.
Okay.
I'm pointing at her to try it, see? You'll love it.
All right, I believe you. We do have a few tropical plants in here as well. A lot of our elephant ears are in here. But in this one is where you'll find all of the sun annuals as well as sun hanging baskets. And in the direction that Derek is showing right now is all of our edible crops. So we have a huge array of tomatoes and peppers, as well as a nice selection of herbs and a few other veggies.
Very nice.
For one of my favorite plants, I'm actually going...
You have to pick one.
I'm going to pick a pepper.
Oh, okay. Which one?
It is the Purple Beauty.
And why is it your favorite?
So I've not grown it yet this year, but I am going to buy one for sure. It is just a nice bell pepper, but the really fun thing is that it's purple. That's really my whole selling point on this. I am so excited to try this.
Looks like they're a sweet pepper. I bet it's good.
Yeah, I am really looking forward to it. And then, trying to think, what else can I show off that I love?
Yeah, pick off one more of your favorite.
I'm trying to avoid the edible crops, but that's...
We're going to do a flower. Let's do a flower.
I know, I'm really into all the herbs that we have. Let's see. I'll go over here.
Okay, we'll let you do a herb after this. How about that?
I will say we don't have too much of this left at the moment, but evolvulus. It's really hard to find just a nice blue flower a lot of the time, and I think this one is gorgeous. It's a really great, spreading plant, gets lots of little blue flowers. It's been a really popular seller this year, but I need to make sure I get some for my garden.
Better grab some.
I know.
All right, now we're doing the herb.
All right.
And what's the winning one?
All right, a little bit loud over here, but I honestly don't know how to narrow it down, so I'm just gonna give kind of a broad category of herbs. We get a lot of pots in that are from Chef Jeff's herbal tea collection. So we have things like chamomile and lemon balm, lemon verbena, let's see, lemon mint. Just a lot of things that are great for teas, which is very much my passion. So yeah, I don't know, there's just a lot to choose from. I have a hard time not leaving here with a handful of herbs every day. So
I could see that.
But I think that's it for our tour today. Anything for you to add, Derek?
No, I think we did a very good job. I think we'll end it here. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.